Hi.
Hi, Miss Han.
Yes, this is Nanjing Giant Knowledge. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hi, would you like to introduce your product?
Yes, we focus on fiber optic light. This kind of we should focus on fiber optic lights and some logo projectors. Yeah, we have a sample room here, so I will take you to see some projects. Yeah, the light shadow was made by logo projector. Yeah, it can project images or words onto the wall.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. We project our company name and slogan onto wall. Actually, it is most used to project advertisements or warning signs. It can used for shops or street to show some advertisements to or just some warning signs.
You can project the advertisements on the wall. Yes, I can see that. I can see the project.
Yeah, this is a fiber optic panel. Yeah, it can installed on wall or ceiling.
Yeah.
It's decoration lights.
Yeah.
Yes, it's weak to function as main lighting, so it can be just use decorative light.
Yeah, I have seen the fiber optics being used to create the star in the sky. So it's very open to see in the video room.
Yes, the pattern can be customized. You can see there is moon, stars, nebula, constellation, stars.
Yeah.
Yeah. And a shooting star.
You might switch a little bit of your camera so we can see the product more clearly. Yeah. Okay, it's better.
Yeah. This is a fiber optic curtain.
Oh, fiber curtain. Yeah.
Curtain light.
So it's colorful or one color?
It's color. It can be fixed color or color changing.
So it can be the RGB mode, and it can also be only one color fixed, right?
Yes, of course. Yeah, it comes with a remote controller to set mode, color, as well as the changing speed. It can also be set by remote controller.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this channel looks like a 3D image.
Oh, I can see the face of Buddha, right?
Yes, it's a Buddha. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I can see the 3D image. Yes.
This image can be customized. The original channel was made for a famous temple in our city. Yeah, it's just a small sample we made after that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, this is a high fiber optic light. It has some drop fibers. But this is usually made for some restaurants or some
it's for decoration, yeah.
Yeah, for some tourist spots.
Yeah, okay.
You usually made a very large area. The effect looks very excellent if you.
Yeah, it looks cool, and it's changed the color all the time. Okay. Would you like to go around your showing room? So would you like to introduce more about your company?
Yeah, of course. The most popular product we sell now is this fiber optic star ceiling panel. You can see it's integrated panel.
It's low voltage, so you have the driver on the behind.
On the panel back.
Okay, on the panel back.
This is the most easy installed panel currently. Just a small sample, usually very large area.
So any famous project you have finished you want to mention about, or any foreign company you have been work with, any certification you have already achievement you want to let us know?
Yeah, most of our clients are for foreigners because they like the products which are easy to install, and this product meets their needs very well. Because we already made the fibers and this that module on panel backs before sending it. But after they receive the panel, they just need connect the electrician wire and fix the panels onto wall. They needn't install fibers and this light source module.
Okay, it's convenience, yeah.
Yes, you know, the labor cost is high in foreign. We help them to save this cost. So this panel became the most popular product for its easy installation.
Okay.
You can see the complete effect.
It's the starry sky. The starry sky, yeah.
This panel in my hand is white color. Most of the time we sell the black color. Yeah, it's optional. Yeah, we have different colors for panel.
Oh, you have different colors for the customer to choose.
There are many color in this sample book.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see this. So on even one pieces is okay. So welcome every client to just give us the quotation, just give us the orders, right?
Yeah. Some people need to see how it looks, so we sometimes send small sample, like just one small piece for test. And then order.
Okay, good. So do you want to mention any other advantage? For example, your supply chain or your customer design or your any advantage achievement?
I mentioned before, its most big advantage is easy installation, and then it's cheap price compared to the conventional fiber optic lights to make star ceiling. It's more easy and won't cost more money if you make a similar effect.
Okay, it has low price and easy for use. So just go and choose your company and contact with you, right? Okay, so thank you so much for Miss Han. See you next time, okay?